Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you fast for 12, 24, or even 48 hours? Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Within just 12 hours of fasting, your body flips a metabolic switch, and the benefits only multiply as you go longer. Stay with me to discover the stage where fasting unlocks the most powerful healing benefits. Fasting isn't starvation, it's a biological reset button. Research links intermittent fasting to lower inflammation, better insulin sensitivity, and cellular repair. At 12 hours, your liver uses up stored glycogen. Blood sugar starts to stabilize. Insulin levels drop and fat burning begins. Your body produces ketones, fueling the brain more efficiently. Benefits include better blood sugar control, reduced cravings, and the first signs of mental clarity. At 24 hours, autophagy begins. Your cells start recycling damaged proteins. Growth hormone spikes, protecting muscle and boosting fat burning. You'll see reduced inflammation and better cardiovascular function. It's like your body sending in a repair crew to fix damaged roads before they cause traffic jams. If this is helpful so far, keep watching, because the 48-hour benefits are incredible. But at 48 hours, something remarkable happens. Insulin drops to its lowest point, making fat your main fuel source. Stem cell regeneration begins in your gut and immune system. Autophagy surges, clearing out precancerous and damaged cells. Studies show improvements in blood pressure, cholesterol, and immune resilience. More ketones reach your brain, bringing heightened clarity and calm. Important, this isn't for everyone. Extended fasting requires medical guidance, especially if done frequently. So how do you do this safely? Stay hydrated with water, black coffee, or tea. Break fasts with gentle, nutrient-dense foods. Soups, vegetables, lean protein. Avoid binging right after, this cancels the benefits. Not recommended for children, pregnant women, or those with certain medical conditions. Always check with a healthcare professional first. Here's the key takeaway. 12 hours triggers the metabolic switch. 24 hours activates deep repair and autophagy. 48 hours delivers full reset and regeneration. Even short fasts can trigger powerful benefits. You don't need 48 hours every time. Start with what feels manageable and build from there. Fasting can reset your metabolism, repair your cells, sharpen your brain, and even regenerate your immune system depending on how long you fast. Just a few hours of strategic fasting can spark powerful changes inside your body. The science is clear. Your body is designed for these beneficial fasting periods. Whether it's skipping breakfast or extending your overnight fast, you can gradually work up to longer fasting periods as your body adapts. Understanding these fasting stages puts you in control of your health journey. You're simply working with your body's natural healing mechanisms. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with someone curious about fasting. Remember, every hour of fasting is an investment in your long-term health. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health journey.